Today we're going to use liquid watercolors to paint our trees. First thing you'll need to do is get a pencil and draw the shape of the leaves around your trees, making a circle around each one and overlapping the circles on each tree with the previous tree's circle. Draw your lines lightly so they don't show once we're done painting. Once you get done drawing all 6 of your circles, take your palette and your liquid watercolors. You should have red, yellow, and blue. You'll only need the primary colors. Drop 2 or 3 dots of each color on your palette. I did 3 drops of red, 3 drops of blue, and 3 drops of yellow. Watercolor goes a long way and you don't need a lot of it. Make sure you water it down with some water. There should be a tube filled with water. Put as much water as you had paint already in there. So like 3 or 4 drops of water to dilute the paint. We're going to paint just the primary colors without mixing on your trees first. So the first tree is going to be red. Mix the watercolor paint and the water together inside the little circle before you put it on your paper. Paint the whole inside of the circle that you drew in pencil with the red. Once you're done with red, skip a tree and wash out your brush and paint yellow. The tree that you're skipping is going to be orange. Once you're done with the yellow tree, skip another tree. That one will be green, and then make the next one blue. When you're all finished, you can start mixing your colors. Doesn't matter which color you start with first when you're mixing. I started with green. I mixed yellow and blue to make green, and I even overlapped and made yellow green and blue green where my circles were overlapping. If you run out of paint, you can get more paint on your palette. You can use the little areas of your palette, the extra areas, to mix other colors. Now I'm making orange, but I'm also mixing yellow orange on my paper and red orange on my paper when I overlap my colors. The last color you will do, or I'm doing, is purple. I mixed red and blue to make purple, but then I also overlapped my blue and purple to make a blue violet. Something I forgot to do in my picture was add leaves on the ground that had fallen. So I had to go back and do that. Luckily I still had most of the colors mixed already on my palette to go ahead and do that. Make sure the same color of leaves on the ground match the leaves on the trees above.